Hey, it's Eric Hunter here, and I want to talk about new bone pendulum. You see, I'm wearing it here as a necklace. And so this is a super handy, or I'll pull it up a little bit so you can see it. This is a super handy pendulum to have because the bone pendulum is extremely lightweight and it's very useful. So for example, I wear this thing as a necklace, and when I'm out in public, I can do really discreet pendulum work with it. So I'll kind of show you, but like I can just take it like this and hold it and start spinning it. And I can even hide it a little bit if I want to. And I can say a command. So like sometimes I'm in my car, like let's say I'm stuck in traffic and traffic is not moving. I'll just kind of like take my necklace and I'll just say like, raise the consciousness of everyone at the highest level possible, send them all love and healing. And then that will get the traffic flowing again. Or like recently I was at a concert and it was like to help save this river that's, got some challenges. So like a benefit concert, and they had these really sweet little kids like come up to the stage to sing a song. And I'll tell you, at first it wasn't going very well for them. They were struggling. So like I just grabbed my little bone pendulum necklace and I just started like in my seat, just doing this. And I would just said some commands like send them love, raise their consciousness, et cetera, et cetera. I just did my little bone pendulum thing. And then two of the kids who are really struggling and didn't really seem to want to do it, they just kind of left. And the two kids who stayed just started doing an awesome job. And it was amazing, like the little concert they gave us. So this is just great for when you're out and about. You can just very discreetly, people just think you're playing with your necklace or just kind of doing it, or you can even kind of shield it with your hand a little bit. If you really want to be subtle, just kind of keep it kind of shielded. People won't even see it or they won't know what you're doing. And you can do pendulum alchemy and pendulum healings, and it's right there with you. I think it looks really cool too. I like to wear it as like a necklace. You can do this as just a regular pendulum too, but it makes a really cool necklace. It's very lightweight, doesn't, it hardly weighs anything. And like it's very comfortable and it's got kind of a cool sort of design. And I have these made for me from a craftsman who's an indigenous person in Indonesia who makes these for me. I spent 2 months of my life in Bali, and that's where I decided to become a healer. And that's where I learned about this form of art that they do over there in Indonesia. And yeah, so that's where I got the idea for this. So these are really great. They're fun to wear. They're super handy if you want to have a pendulum with you at all times and you don't want to have it in your pocket or in your purse. And they're very lightweight. So for those of you who are struggling with the weight of some of the pendulums that I create or that other people create, this is definitely a solution. The energy is really good and really strong on this one. It also really, as you can see, it moves very easily. So it can change directions with very subtle hand movements, which is what you want from a question and answer pendulum, for dowsing or for pendulum Q&A, as I like to call it. It also has a nice elongated shape. So if you're using it on a chart, you can really easily tell what direction it's moving on the chart and what it's indicating. So this is just a great all-around pendulum, and it's supporting an indigenous craftsperson. This is part of their culture. They do this bone carving as part of their traditional culture. So it's kind of a cool thing, and it's a great pendulum. Anyway, thanks for your interest in this. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope that was helpful. Bye.